The Issues TV show, succinct, truthful reports.
Greetings to our esteemed viewers across the globe. I welcome you all to this channel. This is Adeyinka Elujoba, your favorite The Issues TV show event anchor. The Balogun Egbe Bobashege age group in Ijebu Royal Circle, Bankole Habeeb Olugbile, was recently installed as Otunba Fesogboye alongside with his beautiful wife, Chief Mrs. Olugbile, as Yeye Otunba Fesogboye of Odosenlu Alaro by Oba Adedotun Oduneye Odusonya, the Olu of Odosenlu Alaro Kingdom in Ijebu Northeast of Ogun State. The epoch-making occasion attracted many Ijebu traditional rulers, led by the Dagborewe of Idowa Ijebu, Oba Sikiru Kayode Adefuwape, the Moyegeso of Itele Ijebu, Oba Mufutau Kasali. Damilola Ayepola has the report.
We are live at the official installation of Otunba Bankole Habeeb Olugbile, BHO, as Otunba Fesogboye of Odosenlu Alaro Kingdom by His Royal Highness Oba Adedotun Oduneye Odusonya, JP.
The Balogun Egbe Bobashete age group in Ijebu Royal Circle, Bankole Habeeb Olugbile, was recently installed as Otunba Fesogboye alongside with his beautiful wife, Chief Mrs. Olugbile, as Yeye Otunba Fesogboye of Odosenlu Alaro by Oba Adedotun Oduneye Odusonya, the Olu of Odosenlu Alaro Kingdom in Ijebu Northeast area of Ogun State. The epoch-making occasion attracted many Ijebu traditional rulers, led by the Dagborewe of Idowa Ijebu, Oba Sikiru Kayode Adefuwape, the Moyegeso of Itele Ijebu, Oba Mufutau Kasali, other royal fathers who added royal class to the ceremony were His Royal Highness Oba Wobajo, the Limeri of Awa, the Lamodi of Ishiwo, Oba Sikiru Adedoyin, the Elesi of Ilese Ijebu, the Oshobia of Makuomi, Oba Segun Ogunye, the Otutumoro of Abigi. Other distinguished dignitaries at the event also include Otunba Dewale Oshinubi, the chairman, Westco Lottery and Bet, Honorable Mrs. Atenuke Bello, APC Women Leader Southwest, and Mrs. Yetunde Adesoya, among others. Otunba Olugbile can be described as a man of tradition, a culture-loving personality, and a socialite whose perception about life and the society is filled with the moral injunction of hard work for success, a reconnection to tradition and values, social togetherness, strong affection for family ties, and above all, love for one's community and humanity. Otunba Olugbile radiates class and royalty. He is young, energetic, resilient in hope, and very visible socially, as he belongs to the age grade of Bobashete Okunrin Akile Ijebu as the Balogun of the popular age grade. Bankole was born to the family of Reverend Olugbile Mudashiru Olumuyiwa, FCA of Egbo dynasty and Balogun Kadiri family of Etitale, and Madam Olugbile Abosede Olufunke, the Yeye Kirogun of Egbe Egbobaniyi of Ijebuland. Bankole Olugbile is an entrepreneur, a finance professional, and a corporate public deals specialist. The newest Otunba Fesogboye has a stellar reputation within the investment banking sector of the sub-Saharan African economy. He is undoubtedly one of the accomplished finance professionals in the country. With quality years of experience, Olugbile has built a very reputable career as an investment banker with transaction oversight in multiple sub-Saharan African territories. Imbued with exclusive privileges in meritorious service, yet in graceful humility, Bankole remains in the heart of adding value to several key engagements for a variety of oil and gas, financial services, manufacturing, and technology companies. He led various investment banking engagements during his time at FBN Quest Merchants Bank, the merchant banking subsidiary of one of Africa's largest and longest-standing financial institutions, before leaving to pivot strategic planning and corporate finance requirement of Heritage Energy Oil Services Limited, operating one of the largest single producing field upstream Nigeria, OML30. At Heritage, he primarily worked with the company's executive management team to raise both debt and equity financing to fund various upstream and energy projects, and also masterminded a number of business development initiatives with Nigeria energy sector. In 2018, he founded a boutique financial advisory firm offering financial advisory services to mid-scale and public sector entities. During this period, he has also worked as a corporate finance and business development consultant to a number of companies seeking to expand their operations or pursuing one strategic objective or the other. In 2020, he founded a very successful maritime logistics and industrial fishing business, which has quickly grown to command leading position within the industry. Bankole holds a bachelor degree in applied accounting from Oxford Brookes University, UK. He is a chartered accountant from the Association of Chartered Certified Accountants and also a charter holder from the CFA Institute. Is happily married with children. The Issues magazine and YouTube TV show correspondent who captured the colorful event finds Otunba Bankole Olugbile to be a man of many colors, a real blend of tradition and sociability. Otunba Bankole Olugbile is unique in every sense of cultural inclination and outgoing stance. He is the type that adores the cultural values that shaped his personality with affable conviviality, hence the reason he is much preferred among the people. Longevity is strength. Nobility is power. For Bankole Olugbile, it is strength of character and undiluted commitment to the progress and development of Odosenlu Kingdom in Ijebu North-East local government that stands him out. His heritage as a symbol of peace and calmness with which a kingdom could be identified fetched Olugbile the Otunba chieftaincy title of Fesogboye, and our earnest prayer is that the reign of Otunba Fesogboye will usher in abundant peace and joy for the entire Odosenlu Kingdom, both at home and in diaspora.
I'm very happy, I'm very proud, I'm very excited, and it's a well-deserved honor because Otunba Fesogboye, my husband, BHO, is a leader indeed, so I'm proud that they've honored him with this title.
I see him as a public spirited personality by excellence. He understands what it takes to be a public personality.
Thank God for his life and the life of his father too, and the entire family. So I wish him well, I wish him good luck, I wish him successes in everything he aspires to be, in the mighty name of Jesus.
We are fortunate to have someone like him in our community.
They should expect that they have Otunba, which is right hand of the king. That they have an Otunba who will care about them, who will see the earnings of the people, and who communicate with the king, and will ensure that the voice of the people will be brought to the Kabiyesi in a timely and regular manner. And what they also expect is an Otunba who would continue to instill the culture of the Odosenlu people and of the Ijebu people at large, and that the culture continue to live on.
Thank you. Event, make it unforgettable with the Issues TV show. We capture your precious moments anywhere in the world. Professional drone shots and top-of-the-line cameras for high-definition memories. Our team preserves every detail with clarity and style. Book now. Email theissuesmag@gmail.com. WhatsApp +2348033610246 +2348037562230 +2348028215552. The Issues TV show. Capture your memories with us.
Thanks for staying with us. I am Adeyinka Elujoba, anchoring for the Issues TV show, a channel that reports it as it is.